Welcome to our channel. Today we're breaking down the cost of hiring movers in Fresno, California. Let's dive in. The cost of movers in Fresno typically ranges from $5,740 to $9,140. However, this can vary based on factors such as distance, the size of the move, and any additional services you may require. We'll cover all the factors that could influence this cost. For local moves within Fresno, expect to pay around $125 per hour, according to the American Moving and Storage Association. A 4-bedroom home move could range between $800 to $2,000, depending on services included. Here's a quick look at the moving service packages available in Fresno. Each package offers different levels of service, including packing, insurance, and storage duration. The higher the package, the more comprehensive the services. Now let's look at the main factors that influence the cost of your move in Fresno. Distance is one of the most significant factors. Local moves cost less than long-distance moves. If you're moving just across Fresno, you'll pay less than if you're relocating to another state. The size of your home or office plays a role. A small apartment will cost less than a 4-bedroom house, even when it's fully furnished. More items mean more labor and a larger truck. Timing matters. The busiest moving season is summer, which means prices may be higher. If you can move in the off-season, like fall or winter, you might save money. Ready to get moving? Contact us today for an accurate quote based on your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy moving!